Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to unboxing the mystery box I asked from my brother to curate it for me, and his girlfriend helped him to do this box. So without any further ado, let's go started. So here is the box, and it's like an open one, but I haven't seen the stuff right here, so let's go open them. So it's a nice box, so I can put my shop my stash in here. So here they are, and we have La Roche-Posay, and he got me a cleanser which is for normal to oily skin. I'm not oily skin right now, but we can still try this one. We have the rose quartz roller, which is I already have one, so I'm going to keep this one still, and I guess I'm going to give this to my hubby, to my husband, because I wanted to let him start to do his skincare because we're not getting younger anymore. And then we have this Heritage Store Rose Petals Rose Water Facial Toner. This is the first time I've seen this one. And then we have one sheet mask which is I can't even read right. It is from Sweet Chef, and it is kale plus vitamin B fresh pressed sheet mask. So as you guys can see, I'm really like I need a skincare because I feel like my skin right now is so dry and irritated. And then I have this Verse. These are the first time I've seen these products, but this one, I think I have seen this one at Walmart, Target. Yeah, Target, Walmart. So this one is Verse, and this one is clarifying serum. It does have willow bark extract plus zinc blend. I don't know how much willow bark is in here, because willow bark is a kind of BHA. And then we have the ginger vitamin C serum shot. This one's for brightens dark spots and uneven tone, so we can use this one. As you guys can see, I have red stuff in here, and I have darkest here and dry stuff. And then lastly, we have Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream, and with time release hydro patches, moisturizes and nourishes. So let's go start with the La Roche-Posay. So next we're going to use this Rose Petals. This is the from the brand of Heritage Store, and this is a basically rose water facial toner. And then I need to check this out, the smell, because as you guys know, I like the tires, the rose water rose petals too. This one has much more stronger scent compared to that one. I'll put this one because as you guys can see, my face much more drier. So it does grab a little bit of leftover hyaluronic acid, leaf juice, organic aloe vera. Does have glycerin from vegetables. So this is a vegan. Yeah, it is a vegan. It is free of alcohol, parabens, sulfates, and phthalates, and eco-friendly, and of course cruelty-free. Plus this bottle, I think it's recyclable. So now let's move on to the sheet mask. This one is from Sweet Chef, Kale plus vitamin B fresh pressed sheet mask, and this one claims hydrates and suits dry skin, which is I have dry skin. This one is vegan, cruelty free, free of parabens, synthetic dyes, and fragrances. So it's a creamy one. It's not like a liquidy one. I'll be right back, and I'm going to time my phone for 15 minutes to 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, this is how it looks like. So I have the cream over there, the serum. I'm gonna use one of the serum because we have two serum here. We have the serum shot, which is vitamin C, and then we have this clarifying serum, which is the Versed. I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to save this one. And then this is how it looks like. This is tiny. Maybe 4. Oh my gosh, come on, work it out. Okay. I guess we're just gonna do spot treatment. It is, I don't know if it's really sticky or it's just my hand from the serum, the sheet mask. So we're gonna try again. It does have an oily but hydrating one, so we're gonna use it here and see. Man, this dropper, it sucks. So here it is. So it's like kind of in between of oil and water. It does have a slight of oily something in there, and doesn't have that smell, which is good because some people are sensitive to scent. And as you guys can see, it hydrates my hand too, because so this is the like before, so you guys can see how dry is my hands to compare it here now. So we're gonna put some over here too and see how it is. It's very hydrating too. The Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream. Cream. So this is how it looks like. It is like a bottle type. I don't even know where did my brother bought this ones, but he said that he went to Target and Sephora. So I don't know which ones are from Sephora, but for sure Fresh is from Sephora. So it does have this stopper. It smells rose. At the same time, there's something in here. Yeah, there's a cucumber, which is I can smell too. Familiar scent for me. I'll try one. I feel this one is a thick cream. These are really new products to me. Usually I'm really into skincare from South Korea, but this one, oh, this one is really deep moisturizer or thick cream, I can tell. So I don't know the prices of these ones, and I don't know how they are because of these brands are new to me also. So I'm going to do a research later on for this ones. I think they are really local brands, and you can buy them Target and Sephora. That's what my brother said. So thank you to my brother and to his girlfriend Cheyenne. So that's it for you guys. I hope you guys like this video. Please give this a thumbs up and see you on my next video. Thanks for watching.